This cordless leaf blower was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it and taking it outside to see how it performs on my driveway. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged neatly. Inside the box you'll find the leaf blower, 2 rechargeable batteries, the battery charger, and the blower tube. As I take everything out, I show you each piece that's included. Assembly is quick and straightforward. After attaching the blower tube and installing one of the batteries, it's ready to use in just a few minutes. Next, I head outside to test it on my driveway. The blower features 2 speed modes, so I start on the lower setting before switching to the higher speed so you can see the difference. As I'm using it, you can easily see it moving the debris across my driveway. The lightweight design also makes it comfortable to carry and easy to maneuver with one hand while working around different areas. One feature I like is that it includes 2 rechargeable 20-volt batteries, so you can keep one charged while using the other or simply have a backup ready for when you need it. Throughout the demo, I continue clearing different sections of my driveway so you can get a better idea of the airflow, how it performs in a real outdoor setting. Overall, I think this is a convenient blower for everyday yard maintenance. Between the lightweight design, 2 speed modes, 2 included batteries, and cordless operation, it's a practical option for cleaning up driveways, patios, sidewalks, and other outdoor spaces without having to deal with an extension cord.